Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a D3D compiler underscore 43.dll missing error. Let's fix it guys. Method one, just need to open up Chrome and search DirectX download. Press enter. Select the first site. Select the download option and download it. After getting download and install it. Uncheck this install the Bing bar and select next. After getting installed and select finish option and restart your PC. After restarting, check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to open up Chrome and search d3d compiler underscore 43.dll and press enter. Select the second site dllme.com. Select the download option and now go to search menu and type system information. Click on open it. In system type, you can able to see your system beta. In my case, I have 64 beta. After knowing that, download the DLL file depends on web beta. In my case, 64. Scroll down, verify you are human. After getting verified and select start download. After getting download and select this folder icon and right click on the downloaded file and select extract all and select extract. After getting extract and copy the DLL file and go to this PC local disk C Windows. Find system32 folder, double click on it, paste in here. Select replace the destination and select continue. Again go back to Windows and find SYS wow 64 folder, double click on it, paste in here as well. So continue and replace the file and just close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting, your problem should be fixed. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.